giveaway is very, very, very easy. You all win just by being here. And you guys just have to join in. That's it. And you choose whatever sprite you guys want. So this is my collection up to now. It's a giveaway, so you guys can have anything you guys want. Okay, so we're gonna go into the game, but we're not gonna finish the game. We're just gonna get out of it after we secure these sprites. If you have portable, this is gonna be a lot easier and faster. So there it is. And it's open. Awesome. Back to lobby, guys. Oh wait, no, my menu's working. Here. There you go. Fortnite's a little glitchy today, damn. Okay, we're just gonna wait until the sprite gets extracted, and then we go back to lobby. Yeah, so we can gift the next person. Get Gummy Sprite. Let's wait for it, and here you go. Good. Okay, come here. There you go. Extract it. Perfect. Okay, there you are. And here you go. Let's get that coming. Make sure nobody else is gonna get in our way. How do you extract that? Perfect. So here's the peanut. You have the portable extractor. Perfect. Hold on. Perfect, Danny. Let's go. Alright, here. Here's the peanut. Get it fast. You don't have to waste your portable. You can just put it there. There you go. Yeah, I ran out of my portables because I kept using them. Here you go. Extract it. Awesome. Let's go. Peanut. I mean, this is not peanut. Here you go. And then with your portable, extract it, and all done. Perfect.